I built my app. Surely this is all I need to be a success.
Nope.
Nope.
Wow, I'm like a real company now.
Not quite.
Great, we're done.
You still need a founder video.
I'm not even camera ready.
Yes, you are.
I'm not even where.
So, we built Split. Money between friends is dumb. We did the math. Go eat.
So, are we done?
Nope.
Pika